Esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how you can use $10 to gain $500 on Binance. Okay, that sounds too good to be true, right? Okay, all you just need to do is to stick to this video from the very beginning to the end and check out and learn step by step of turning your $100 on of turning your $10 to $500 on this very Binance. Okay. So all you just need to do, make sure you have a verified Binance account. If you do not have any, I'll drop a link that will show you that you can use to sign up. Okay. So all you just need to do, make sure you come to Binance, sign up a verified Binance account, and come up to your dashboard. Okay. If you come up to your dashboard here, you click on trade down here. Okay. Firstly, on your dashboard here, you will see a lot of coin here that you need to trade. You see. There are a lot of crypto here that you need to trade. I always advise that you trade the alternative crypto, okay? Like BNB, ETH is also alternative crypto and the others. I would have wanted to trade the main crypto, which is BTC, but the price is very high now. Okay, I do not know your capacity though. If you do have capacity, I advise you trade BTC. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of things here, and you can see this today is a good market day. Every coin at all is just increasing. Okay, every coin at all is just what is just increasing, and the ones that have not increased yet are ready to increasing, which are still the ones here in losers, and they will soon start increasing. Okay, you can see this WT, they will soon start what they will soon start increasing. Thank God for me seeing this one, because I'm going to indulge in right away and buy this one. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come up to this place, check out for the coins that you want to buy, and you quickly indulge in it. Okay, so and the question is, how would you know which one to buy that will not keep your money in red for a very long time? Okay, that is the question here. How would you know which one to buy that will not keep your money in red for a long time? Okay, so all you just need to do, look at these ones. This place is the one that are currently hot in the market. Even if it has not increased, it's going to increase right away. You can choose from these ones and buy as well. You can look at SRP, check it movement and see it has pumped already, so no need. You can look at those Shiba. You can see those ones are already increasing already. You don't need to go to them. So all I advise you to do is to go to coin market cap, and I will show you something. Let's go there. So all you just need to do is to come to coin market cap. If you come to coin market cap here, I'll show you what to do. Okay, we're going to trace here which coin has a lot of people invested on that may go up in the nearest time, so that we will not stay up in the red for a very long time. Okay, we want something that when we buy we can catch out profit between maximum 3 days. We can cash out our profits. Okay, we want something that when we buy we can cash out profit between 1 to 2 days or maximum 3 days. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do here, if you're on market cap, okay, if you're market cap, the next thing you need to do here is to go to filter, click on filter. Okay, if you go to filter, there is a place that will show you add filter. Okay, click on add filter. If you click on add filter, then you go to market. So if you go to market, you will now click on between let's say 50 million. Okay, so let's say 100 million. Okay, so let's say 100 million. You see, we are trying to check some coins that have investment on them from 50 million to 100 million, so that we can know which one to buy, because any coin that has a lot of money on it will quickly blow. Okay, it will quickly pump. Okay, so all you just need to do after doing this, click on apply filter. Okay, if you click on apply filter, this will be done. Okay, so the next thing, before we click on showing result, the next thing you need to do, you need to go to price. Let's say you want to start with like $100. Let's go to price. I will now come to price here and say from let's say one, let's say from $10. You want to start from 10, right? From $10 to 100, right? To $100, to $100. Okay, sorry, to $100. Okay, click on apply filter, then you click on show results. You see, we have done our research share, and you click on show results. You don't see the result. This is where all those coins are. You can see MNR. All those ones has a lot of investment on them. You can see LTCU. You can go ahead to buy this one now. Go to the market, check and see what it is. You can see Unibots. You can see Umfi. Wow. You can see MPL. All these ones has a lot of investment on them. So after you are through with this, all this one, then you go back there and check which one are we going to check, LTCU or NMR. Okay, let's check MFI and NMR and see what level they are currently in the market. And if you can see, they have already moved, like this NMR have already moved 6.93% a day. LTCU have already this one has not moved. Maybe this is the one you should look at currently, or when anytime you are doing this, you just check. This is all you just need to check. Okay, and in this place there will be rapid change in market. So let's just look at one. Let's just take Unfi. It has moved 0.43%. Let's go back to Binance and look for Unfi. Okay, we are here in Binance. Unfi may be found right away here, or we search for it. Okay, if you are here on Binance, you search for Unfi. Okay, this is Unfi. Okay, this is Unfi. So this one now you can allow the market to retreat a little, then you can join, because there is a lot of investment on Unfi, and it will definitely go very high. Okay, so that is it. There's nothing big much. You just go into to buy. If you buy, maybe you have a $100 balance, you can use 100 to buy, and you get this volume of Unfi in returns. Okay, if you buy at 10 that is, you get 1013.6. Okay, so that is it. If you do have any question, do not hesitate to drop it, and I'll get to you as soon as possible. And if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and hit on the notification bell, so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you immediately. Help as well to share. Okay, and if you are returning viewers and you are still yet to subscribe to this channel, please do. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.